In this video, we are going to learn how to write the hiragana character ha. Ha is 3 strokes. The first stroke begins with your brush pointed up and to the left, coming down and making a slight curve out to the left. As you move into the second stroke, lift your brush as if you were connecting it, making a line coming across. The third stroke is coming down between the middle of the second stroke, and you're going to loop it around using a triangle shape, with the stroke coming down to finish the character.